Hello. Today on DIY with Chris. Hello everyone, today we're doing some tool reviews. The one we're focused on right now is going to be our Craftsman shop vac. So this is a wet and dry vac, it just depends on the filter that you purchase. The reason why we picked this one was it is a wall mount, as you can see right here. We have it installed. It didn't take very long to put it up, maybe 20 minutes altogether to assemble everything and get it drill into the studs and get everything in place. So it wasn't very long. It's just, most time consuming part was probably finding the studs, really. It does come with a lot of additional accessories, which we'll kind of list off as we go through the review, and I'll show you what I can on this as well. Another big thing that actually attracted me to this, other than the wall mount, was the fact that we do have, you can see, quite a bit of hoses here, and so I believe this will get up to 40 feet in length with all the hoses if we attach them. We just put this here. The garage door is probably about 15 feet in this other direction here, and so we can keep the cars outside, and if I hook up all the hoses, it'll still reach them. I can still clean out all the vehicles and everything, and with all the hoses I can also reach every little corner in our garage here, get the sawdust in there and everything. So there is a lot of length that is with these hoses. So we just have the basic one on right now, which is this just this long, but it does stretch quite a bit. The hoses kind of just go on. You just press them on. It's nothing, there's no lock system or anything, and then you do have the different attaches. We just have this one wand on here right now. So for storage, we just put this here. So it did come with, there's the base unit, and then there is the piece that attaches to the wall right here, and we have our hoses slunk up over it and everything, our extra hosage. So it is doubled across on itself, so that's another probably about 10 feet of hose that'll stretch again all by itself. And then we do have this bag storage system under here, and so we do have this filter that'll go on the inside. There's another wand right here, and it has kind of some of the brushes on the bottom. There's this traditional wand right here that most kits come with. This is a squeegee attachment, which kind of comes loose there. So there's a squeegee that we can also use for the wet applications. And our last one in here is just this brush that we can use to get other stuff too. So it does really convenient that it has this little pouch here that we can put all this stuff in. And our last attachment right here, which is also another really awesome part of this, is this vacuum has three settings on the button up here. There's off, which is currently set to right now. Let me plug it in. So we have off, and then if we switch it to the right, this is actually the wireless mode. And so this is a wireless piece, and we can either attach this to the end of our pieces here and wander around the garage or wherever we need to with it, or I can just keep this separate or whatnot. It still works with the sawdust and everything, but this does have an on-off button, so I can select on right here and off, and it'll turn it both ways. It's just a really nice additional feature. It's a wireless feature that goes to it, so it is battery powered, but that's also another really cool thing. So not only are we getting it up out of the way, plus we have an insane amount of reach, we also have, we don't have to go all the way back to the unit. We have this wireless control of it. So I'm a huge fan of this product. The only downside I would say to it would just be the fact that it's only 5 gallons. We could get a little bit bigger, especially for all the sawdust that we have in here. We could get one a little bit bigger for all the sawdust that we have in here, but for the fact that it is hanging on the wall and trying to actually keep it out of the way, it's probably just the right size that we actually want for something like that. So we'll get into the actual product details here on it. We purchased this at Sears. The list price is $139.99, and that is what we had purchased for, maybe on sale, a couple bucks off or whatnot with discount and everything. But that's the traditional price on it. The description for this is a wall mount wet-dry vac, delivers versatility and powerful suction. Whether it's time to clean out the car or tidy up the shop or garage, the Craftsman 5 peak horsepower wet-dry vac. Wet-dry vac can help you reach further with its extra long 21-foot hose system to get the job done every time. Mount it to the wall and connect it to your saw's dust chute. The wireless remote control function lets you turn the suction on when you're cutting and off when you're not. And since it's packed with a powerful yet ultra-quiet dual turbo motor, it provides more suction power while generating less noise to pick up every last piece of sawdust. For portable use, simply remove from the wall mount and easily transport wherever you need it using the large ergonomic top center handle. From draining flooded appliances, using it as dust collection system, to blowing piles of leaves and dirt out of the garage before you start off a project. The 5-gallon wall mount wet dry vac is versatile and includes 14 accessories to equip you for most jobs. Dimensions that were listed on it were 24 by 21.5 by 41 inches, and that includes the actual wall mount as well, with the bag on underneath. Ratings on this product were from Amazon. It has a 5-star rating from 2 reviews, and Sears had a 4.5-star rating averaged from 86 customer reviews. Contents are some of the things that come with it. Craftsman 5 horsepower peak wet dry vac includes 14 accessories to make it wet, dry, or fine dust vacuuming a cinch. Convenient wireless remote handle operation saves time and delivers convenience. Ultra quiet and powerful dual turbo industrial style motors, works day and night. Wall mounting kit ideal for garage workshop use. Over 41-foot cleaning reach, 21 plus the other hose, the 20-foot power cord, and 2 extension wands. Hose accessory and power cord organizers for hassle-free storage and operation. Quickly converts to a blower for your yard, patio, or shop cleanup. Again, it did have instructions telling you exactly how to set it up, how to install your filters. The instructions also list the different types of filters you will need for both like fine filters for sawdust to regular filters for everyday use, or other filters for water application. So it does include all that information that you could possibly need for it. We'll give you kind of a demo right now. So we have some sawdust here on the base, and we're kind of full right now, so some of our suction power is losing, but we'll flip it to this other side, turn it on, and start sucking some stuff up. So overall, this is a really great vacuum. I would definitely buy another one. If I had a larger shop, I would probably buy multiple of them and post them in opposite corners so that I could reach the full shop. without any issues. This is a really great system. I really love it. The only reason I'd probably get a different one is maybe one that has a higher capacity that could roll around and be used for other applications. But other than that, this is perfect for us, perfect for the shop, and for our applications that we use it for here with a smaller area. So if you have any questions about it, please let me know. We'll try and answer them as best we can. If you like our videos, please share them and leave comments below. Thanks. Have a great day.
DIY with Chris, giving you the tools to do it yourself. DIY with Chris, giving you the tools to do it yourself.